Hey foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting adventure lined up for you. We're going to indulge in $1,000 USD worth of street food in the bustling city of Delhi, India. Get ready because this is going to be a feast for the senses. Our food journey begins at Old Delhi, where the aroma of spices fills the air. First stop, Chandni Chowk. Here we savor the famous parathas stuffed with mouth-watering fillings like potato, cottage cheese and even chocolate. Next we head to Karim's, renowned for their succulent kebabs. The tender, flavorful meat is simply to die for. We sample a variety of kebabs from chicken to mutton, while immersing ourselves in the vibrant street ambience. Now we make our way to Paharganj, where we dive into the world of Indian sweets. From the classic gulab jamun to the rich and creamy rabri, every bite is a burst of sweetness. It's a sugar rush you won't want to miss. Moving on, we venture into the narrow lanes of Chandni Chowk once again, this time to try something unique, the mouth-watering dolat ki chaat. This delicate, heavenly dessert is like no other. Sweet, light and topped with nuts, it's a true delight for the taste buds. But our food adventure doesn't stop there. We can't miss the beloved street food staple, Golgappa. At the famous Paranthe Wali Gali, we gorge on these crispy, hollow purees filled with tangy tamarind water. It's an explosion of flavors in every bite. Finally, we end our delectable journey at Jama Masjid, where we relish the iconic butter chicken. Juicy, tender chicken cooked in a creamy tomato sauce. It's pure comfort food that will leave you craving for more. Thanks for joining us on this mouth-watering adventure through Delhi's streets. We hope you enjoyed the flavors and sights as much as we did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting and delicious journeys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.